Alright, so we are loaded up with the Iron Man stuff in the burb. I gotta go get gas, get a 9-volt, and then we're heading out to change at Clear on Iron Man, and we're going to changing the Iron Man for the theater, so check it. Alright, so we are heading to the gas station first. Gotta get a 9-volt. This is the first time I've taken the Iron Man suit on travel, so it's the first time that it's been off of this stand and setting somewhere, so I'm hoping it holds up pretty good. What do you think, Braden?
It's going to be an adventure.
We ran through a checklist, got everything. Hate to get there and leave something at home. Pumped?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me too.
Mm-hmm. Thing is, we get to see it again.
See what again?
Endgame.
Well, we're not watching the movie today. We're just going to be out there when people are getting out of one movie and going into another. So we're not going to see it, but we saw it last night, and I do know who. I don't know how to say this. I do know who may or may not have won the Deadpool, the Endgame Deadpool. So I'll just save that one. I didn't bring my car, did I?
You did it!
We have to run back home. I don't have enough. I gotta run back home real quick. That sucks, at least we don't live too far off. I need my charger anyways. So we just walked around the movie theater here at Cali Cinema at 8 in between Winfield and Arc City, and there's a lot of people that came up to take pictures with Iron Man. They were sitting in the theater right before Endgame started, and we were so caught up in the moment, caught up in everything, that we didn't break the camera out. Braden got like one picture for Instagram, but there was a lot of really happy kids that were taking pictures with Iron Man. This one little cute kid, he was too scared to come up and take a picture with me, but his dad came up, held Storm. We brought Stormbreaker. In case you haven't seen, his dad held Stormbreaker and him, and then I told him how he was dressed in an Iron Man suit as well, but it was a costume. It was really cute, and I think we made some days. A lot of people loved. I'm glad I brought Stormbreaker because a lot of people wanted to hold Stormbreaker, so that was cool. Wasn't that cool, Brady?
Mm-hmm.
So we got the hands off right now, and the upper arms off, so I can drink my Red Bull, and the helmet off. About 30 minutes until the current movie that's on right now is over, and then when those people come out, I'll be in the foyer. And people in the theater that we went in there don't know the fate of Iron Man in Endgame. They don't know the fate of Iron Man. And so they were just taking pictures and stuff. So the people coming out are going to know the fate of Iron Man. And I think there's going to be a totally different reaction. I was wanting to get footage of the people in the theater and then footage of the people outside so we could see the difference. But I'll just have to tell you because we just got so caught up in the moment. And it was the first time that I've walked as far as I did with this, because I walked really far, didn't I, Braden? Walked all around the theater. And I haven't walked more than like 3 feet in this suit. Like really. And my ankles, I mean, I broke this shoe and my ankles were turned all the way up towards the inside. There's a lot of things that I learned about my suit in that walk around the theater. That I'm gonna have to go back home and fix before we go to Orchlands tomorrow. But a lot of fun. It's painful, it's uncomfortable, but this has been a ton of fun. I love just making kids smile. Everybody come up to you and ask you for Stormbreaker?
No.
What'd you think when you walked in with Stormbreaker and people were like, "Oh my god"? Did you get anybody say,
"Hey"?
"Hey"?
Really minded.
You said that I ignored people that I was walking by. I couldn't see them. I couldn't hear or see. So you've got to be my guide. Okay, you got to tell me when people are
I
trying.
told you.
I know. As soon as I heard you tell me, I turned around and I was like, "Hi." You gonna go ask him how long now? Because at 15 minutes, I want to start putting this stuff on. So go ask that lady that has the baby. Go ask her.
How long what?
How long until the next movie's over with?
You coming?
I can't. Just walk up there with a $5 bill and say, "Can I buy a thing of popcorn with
Popcorn.
this?" Did you want popcorn? What do you want? Just say, "What can I buy for $5?"
Okay. And then I get whatever I want.
If you're hungry, get like some nachos or some popcorn, not candy. Hold on, give me one of these nachos before I put all this back on.
Actually, what can I get for $5? They just have matching candy.
Let's put it back on. Gotta help me put this on without eating nachos. Okay, arms. Let's do this. Let's do this first. That's wrong arm. Say right or left on it.
It's on.
Now walk in front of me. So go up that way and turn around. Work pretty well. Now I know that we're in this thing. How long have I been here for? An hour?
I'd say about an hour and a half, maybe.
Wait, hold up, Dad. My nachos.
Alright, put the hook on you.
Good to see you. Turn around.
Look at the camera.
Oh, fist bump? Shots you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, so I'll leave you there. You want to get a picture of you hugging him?
Give him a hug again.
Yeah, how you doing?
A hug again.
Look at the camera.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
Good
sir.
Good night. Thank you guys. Ready?
Can I have a picture?
All right, helmet.
Excuse me, sir, but can I get a picture with you?
That was fun. Orchlands is gonna be fun tomorrow too. Hopefully we get some people coming out. There's a lot.